folks, Caitlin here. I am going to show you how to restore leather. It can be leather on a bag. I'm going to be showing you on a sofa right now, so furniture, pretty much anything. So if you can see the piece we're working with here, I'm going to be just working on this part right here. There's discoloration, scratches from cats, and a general fading, and just it's needing some love. And I'm going to show you how to give it exactly what it needs. So we are going to start with, this is my favorite brand to work with. Step one is cleaning the area thoroughly. I use Lexol leather cleaner. When you use this, I'm going to shake it up first. Take some, this is just water, because you want to have a little bit of water before you use the Lexol, and then you're going to rinse off the Lexol once you've shampooed it. And I'm wearing gloves because then you don't get messy. And so just a little light coat of water here. This is really great to buy these. I always use this with the cleaner. It's getting to the point of retirement soon. But you take Lexol, you shake it. And you want to really get a pretty generous amount on here, because you're going to really quickly, you want to be moving so quickly, you get a lather going. And you can see that happening in the stitching. And what this will do is take off a lot of the grime that's actually causing the funkiness. So you want to make sure that lather has formed. Use that elbow grease, really get in there. Okay, and as I said, then we will use some water again, because you don't want to leave it heavily sitting on it. Okay, now the next stage, you can go back and forth. You can go and move to the leather conditioner. I personally like to, when you're working with the main problem being a lack of luster, discoloration, especially like any scratches or pulls, the secret, mink oil. You can get it in any store in the shoe aisle. A lot of the products that we'll be using are shoe products. Shoe polish, for example, can be used on leather. It's great to use on leather, like purses and furniture. All right, with mink oil, it works immediately. Not only does it waterproof it, condition the leather and really moisturize it, but it is just a protector, and it brings the leather underneath the dingy surface back up and up to life. So it is pretty much like getting the, when you have scars on your face and they do like a face peel, or something like that to get the skin underneath out. That's essentially what it does. So you take a little sponge bar like this, wipe it around on the mink oil, and you can immediately see this nice luster happening. It can take care of the majority of scratches. Like if you can zoom in right here, this scratch right here. Let's watch. It is conditioning the leather so much that it is healing it and almost sewing it back together. See how it's no longer pulled out? It's clean. And all I would do to finish that up would be even just to take a furniture pen and just lighten up that kind of area. But some general and generous mink oil treatment and then final conditioner will really get this back to nearly invisible, especially if this whole area is treated with a light coat of a mahogany kind of light brown with reddish undertones shoe polish. So the mink oil really does most of the work, and as you can see, there's already a pretty nice looking difference here. So follow these steps, just buff it out, and you will have a gorgeous piece of furniture brought back to life.